What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. We're getting ready to run the Kirby Avalir. I know this is the third Kirby video today, but this vacuum has not been ran in a while, so I don't even know when the last time it was I had this thing running, honestly. So, let's vacuum with it, shall we? Still runs pretty good. That drive's working out. And it's jumping. A lot because of the, yeah, it is jumping a little bit. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Leave a little comment down below. We'll see y'all next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day, everybody.